one example, these are we're going to first provide the Twilio credentials to add a phone call capability, and then we're going to tell it, I want you to make an Node.js Express server that has the following functionality. Scrape, archive, papers about machine learning, and get the text of the first paper found, pass the abstract text to the Twilio API, and read it on the phone call. So starting with the plan, it's defining the steps it's going to go through, the necessary packages, and now we can see each file individually being created. So we're going to accept them. We're going to let it install the packages that are required. And now that the installation is complete, it's going to start with creating the first file. So there's the scrape step that's being done now, and it's extracting the abstract. Then there's the phone call service, which is now implemented. We're gonna just re-trigger it just to...
we're getting the call.
We're getting the call, but we're gonna re-trigger it again. Yeah.
Yeah, I think.
You have a trial account. You can remove this message at any. Recent advancements in vision language models have enhanced performance by increasing the length of visual tokens, making them much longer than text tokens and significantly raising computational costs. However, we observe that the visual tokens generated by popular vision encoders, such as CLIP and SIGLIP, contain significant redundancy. To address this, we introduce Vision Zip, a simple yet effective method that selects a set of informative tokens
It just
for
built an
input to
iPhone.
the language model, reducing visual token redundancy and improving efficiency while maintaining model performance. The proposed
Sounds
Vision
good.
Zip can be widely applied.
Yeah, so this
So
was
this
one
is
example.
a phone, a browser,
and
and
internet communicator.
and an iPod.
So this was one example. We'll show you also how you can, this is a running service, so you can tell it actually to keep running. This is got triggered once.